Prime Minister Xanana Gusmão today received the Secretary General of the ASEAN Inter-Parliamentary Assembly, Dr. Chen Widhya, at the Government Palace in Dili for a courtesy meeting focused on Timor-Leste's regional integration. During the meeting, the AIPA Secretary General congratulated Timor-Leste on its accession into ASEAN and highlighted Cambodia's support throughout the process since 2022. He also emphasized the importance of ASEAN's unity and diversity, noting that the regional bloc is built on both government and parliamentary cooperation. The Secretary General further stated that Timor-Leste is expected to become the 11th member of AIPA, with the parliamentary dimension of ASEAN set to officially open to the country during the 47th AIPA General Assembly in Manila from the 16th to the 22nd of November 2026. As part of preparation, the AIPA delegation today delivered an executive briefing at the National Parliament and will also conduct a roadshow presentation at the National University of Timor-Leste, UNTL, to further introduce AIPA and its role within the ASEAN community.